Over the summer, I did a video about lawnmower and cows and stuff, and I fed them some grapefruit. Somebody commented that they've never seen a cow eat grapefruit. Well, I just fed them some, so let me go ahead and feed them some more and see if this will work. Oops. Well, I hope I was in frame. I'm wearing sunglasses and I'm aiming that direction. So hopefully you got to see them eat the grapefruit. Is that good, girls? Yeah, that's delicious stuff, ain't it? Yeah. I take care of my girls, don't I? Yeah. Alright, well, I guess that's it. You'd like to have some more, wouldn't you? Yeah. Okay. Say bye, girls. Yeah. Alright, so the girls want a repeat of that. So as you can see, picking them right off the tree. And yeah, they're green. Girls don't mind. Get them a little extra something there to eat. So we'll walk this over to the pen, and you see they're already waiting. That's good stuff, wasn't it, girls? Yeah. Ready for some more? Yeah? Okay. Got them right here in the bucket. Alright. Look at that. Who wants that one? You want that one? Okay. You can have that one. Oh yeah. That's a girl. Alright. Again, I hope I'm in frame. To apologize for any wind noise. I'm shooting this on my cell phone. Oh yeah. Yeah, they're not too picky on what they eat. See the pile right there behind them. That's some vine clippings and some grass mixed in there, but mainly grapevines. Huh. Oh yeah, look at that. Oops. I know. I don't have any more. Yeah, I don't have no more. All right. Well, I think 3 should probably be enough for the day. What do you think? You probably want more, don't you? That's some good stuff. Yeah. Who's a pretty girl? Who's a pretty girl? Yeah. All right. Well, I guess that's it. Although the girls want more, I think probably 3 is enough. Say bye, girls. Yeah. Number 16, let me tell you, you're just rocking those ear tags. You're just blinging. Where's your other ear tag, number 10? You rebel. And what about you? You just look so sweet. Yeah. All those flies all over your face. That's sexy, baby. Real sexy. All right. Well, I guess that will do it for this little video. Bye, girls. Well, don't look so sad. Bye. All right, everybody in YouTube land. Catch you later. Thought you'd enjoy that.
Lá abaixo do walking e ver o mar, esta gente vem todos lá, por causa das gastinhos. Havia que ter pai para ver, mas eu estava já olha aquela frase, olha aquela. Não sei se é vaca, se é dele. Oh, meu Deus. Isto é só special. É os patos que a gente tinha, mas com uma cancela que a gente apanhava o milho. E uma vez a gente veio com uma canada com muita pedra e ia cair e pus uma coisa na cabeça e o teu avô urinou e injetou a urina na minha cabeça. Não vou. Foi assim. Olha, diz que aquela da parte na Geek. Isto ficou. Mas é uma gira vaca. Aquela loirinha, o céu, vinha sempre. Mas agora já deixou de ir. Vinha sempre. E agora é sozinho.
Stay anyway.
Talvez mais abaixo.
I worry about the band though.
Oh, okay.
The cows move, break a window or something. All over.
Эй, брат, трэш на мейкоп.
Vai. Deixa eu pôr o primeiro.